Are you dreaming of financial freedom through passive income? Starting an Airbnb business in 2025 could be your golden ticket. But hold on, there are risks you need to know before jumping in. In this video, we'll uncover the biggest challenges of 2025 and give you a step-by-step guide to starting a successful Airbnb business. Don't miss out, this could be your path to a thriving business. Hey everyone, welcome to Invest Vision Hub, where we help you turn your ideas into profitable ventures. Today, we're diving into the Airbnb business, one of the most popular ways to earn passive income. But as we look ahead to 2025, there are risks and changes in the market that you need to understand to succeed. So, stay tuned for a detailed guide on starting and growing your Airbnb business the right way. Growing demand. The travel industry is rebounding stronger than ever, with more people seeking unique local experiences. Airbnb continues to dominate as a platform for short-term rentals. Remote work trend. Remote workers are fueling the rise of long-term stays, creating even more opportunities for hosts. Lucrative returns. Airbnb properties often yield higher returns compared to traditional rentals if you do it right. Regulations. Cities around the world are tightening their rules on short-term rentals. Make sure you're aware of local laws and zoning regulations before starting. Market saturation. Popular tourist destinations are crowded with Airbnb listings, making it harder to stand out. Niche markets could be your key to success. Rising costs, inflation, and increased property prices in 2025 mean higher upfront investment costs. Careful budgeting is essential. Competition. Platforms like Vrbo and Booking.com are growing, meaning you need to provide top-tier service to attract guests. Step 1. Research your market. Start by identifying areas with high demand and low competition. Tools like Airbnb can help you analyze the potential earnings for different locations. Step 2. Choose the right property. Look for properties in prime locations near tourist attractions, business districts, or natural hotspots. If buying isn't an option, consider subleasing with permission. Step 3. Understand legal requirements. Get familiar with local laws, taxes, and licensing requirements. Ignoring these can lead to hefty fines. Step 4. Design an amazing space. Guests love unique, well-designed spaces. Invest in good furniture, smart amenities like Wi-Fi, and little extras like welcome baskets to wow your guests. Step 5. Create a winning listing. Your Airbnb profile is your storefront. Use professional photos, write a clear and appealing description, and highlight what makes your property special. Step 6. Deliver outstanding guest experiences. Great reviews are everything. Communicate clearly, respond quickly, and go the extra mile to make your guests feel at home. Step 7. Market your property. Don't just rely on Airbnb's algorithm. Use social media and local partnerships to drive more bookings. Step 8. Track and adjust. Monitor your performance and adjust your pricing, marketing, and services to stay competitive. Here are a few extra tips to stand out in 2025. Focus on sustainability. Eco-friendly properties are a big hit with modern travelers. Offer unique experiences, collaborate with local guides, or offer on-site activities like cooking classes. Leverage technology. Use tools like smart locks, automated check-in systems, and pricing algorithms to save time and boost efficiency. Starting an Airbnb business in 2025 is full of opportunities, but only if you're prepared for the challenges. By knowing the risks and following this step-by-step guide, you can build a profitable business that thrives in the evolving market. What's stopping you from starting your Airbnb journey? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss valuable insights like this one. Thanks for watching Invest Vision Hub, and I'll see you in the next video.